In a world where quality often gets lost in the race for profit, there's a brand that stands tall: Dragonfire Tools. But what makes Dragonfire Tools different? It's not just the precision, the durability, or even the sleek design. It's something deeper, something rooted in where these tools are made. Each tool is crafted with an unwavering commitment to quality, right here in the heart of America. Our artisans pour their skill, passion, and heritage into every piece, ensuring that each tool stands the test of time. From the initial design to the final product, every step is infused with a dedication to excellence. This is more than just a tool, it's a testament to American craftsmanship and pride. That's what truly sets Dragonfire Tools apart. Let's journey to the heart of America, where Dragonfire Tools are born. Here, in the factories and workshops across this great nation, the spirit of American craftsmanship thrives. Every tool, every workbench, is a testament to the dedication and skill of American workers. From the initial spark of an idea to the final product, each step in the process is meticulously carried out with precision and care. These aren't just tools, they're a symbol of the pride we take in our work, the commitment to excellence, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Each crafted piece tells a story of countless hours spent honing skills, of generations passing down their knowledge and expertise. The Made in the USA label is more than just a mark of origin. It's a badge of honor. It signifies a tradition of quality and reliability that has been built over decades. It represents the belief that hard work and dedication can create something truly exceptional. In every workshop, in every factory, the spirit of American craftsmanship lives on, reminding us that quality and pride are woven into the very fabric of our nation.
When you work with your hands, you know what it means to create something that lasts. Here at Dragonfire, we're not just making tools, we're building legacies.
Dragonfire Tools are more than just products. They're partners in your work, designed to withstand the toughest jobs and keep up with your ambitions. Each tool is crafted with precision and care, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of durability and performance, and they're made right here in the USA, where quality still matters. From the initial design phase to the final touches, every step of the manufacturing process is handled with meticulous attention to detail. Our skilled craftsmen and engineers work tirelessly to create tools that not only meet, but exceed your expectations. When you choose Dragonfire Tools, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a legacy of American craftsmanship and innovation. Join the community of professionals who trust Dragonfire Tools to help them achieve their best work every day. Dragonfire Tools, forged in America, built for you. Discover the difference of American craftsmanship. Discover Dragonfire Tools.